Good morning, guys. I hope you all are good and doing well for the preparation of your upcoming exams, May June 2025. Guys, today we are going to discuss about the recently done paper in mock 2025, and here goes the question one. And this paper will help you to make more understanding about the concept and you can mark out the mistakes you have done in your paper. That is, question number one says the back-to-back diagram stem and leaf shows the diameter of 19 cylindrical pipes produced by each of two companies. There are 19 cylindrical pipes, and key says 135/3 means the diameter of company A is 0.351, and same goes for the company 0.353 centimeter. The key indicates that all the values of the diameter are in decimal, and that is starting from zero point 0.3 and more. We have to find the median and the interquartile range of the pipes produced by the company A. 3 marks question for the part A. We know the IQR says the Q1, and that is the formula as uh, n plus, because the odd values you have by fourth. So n is here 19. 19 plus 1 by fourth will give us 25th values. So starting from the top fifth value, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, it will be here. It means Q1 is 0.348, right? 34 for the company is 34 8, yes. And similarly we can go for the median, that is Q2, that is 2 time of n plus 1 by fourth value. That will give us 2 time of 19 plus 1 by fourth 10th value. 10th value here will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 0.355. Yeah, so it will be 0.355. That's the value. And also we can go for Q3, 3 time of n plus 1 by fourth value, and that will be 15. Becomes, after this it becomes 5 times 3, 15th value. 15th value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15. That is 0.366. 0.366. So these are the values. And now IQR, we know that IQR is the difference of the upper quartile, that is Q3, to the difference of lower quartile. Now we can get the difference of this with this. So, and it will be calculated as 0.018. Okay, it was a 3 marks question. We done it. Also, it is given that the pipes produced by company B with a lower quartile, median, and upper quartiles are this. Okay, for company B's lower quartile, median, and upper quartiles are respectively this lower, this is median, and here it goes to the upper quartile respectively. And the 3 marks question: draw a box and whisker plot for the company A and company B on the grid below. Okay, we have to do this. On company A, we have the data. Q1 for company A is this, Q median is this, and Q3 is this. We will see how to plot it now. Okay, guys, for the box and whisker for the both companies A and B, we will make the grid from the smallest value. Start from 0.331 and the maximum will be 0.388. Okay, uh, overall on the grid we did it. And for the if you talk about the company A, the least value is 0.334. So we can start 0.335 and 335 is here, 334 comes to be here. So we can say the company B least value, company A least value is this, starting from here. Okay, and its lower quartile is 0.348, 0.345, 0.350. It means it will be 48 will be here. So it goes here and here. I will make a rectangle as you know the rule. Okay, this is Q1 for the company A, and the median is 0.355. 355 is here exactly. You can make this, draw this line Q2, and Q 0.36665 is here. 6 will be here. 6 will be here. So this line. So you will see this is a kind of a box and whisker, and the maximum value is 0.374. 375 is here, 4 will be here. We can finish till here. This is the for company A. Same goes for the company B. Okay. Least value of company B is what? 0.331. 331 is here. So okay, start from here. This is the least value of company B. And then the quartile 1 is lower quartile is 0.346. 0.345 and 46 will be here. The same goes up. We can say this is Q1 for company, and the median is 0.352. 35152 will be here, and it goes up, and it comes here. Yeah, and then upper quartile is given to be 0.370. 7070 is here. It will be here. So we can join them. This is a shape. This is, we can say this seem to be the what you call this, positively skewed, because mid is more inclined towards Q1, and the maximum is 0.3889088 will be here. So this is what, so we can write it's Q1 here. This is for B. Q1 is here. Let me write the change the color. This is a Q1 for both. I can write here Q1 for both. This is the median Q2 here for Q2 here, and this is Q3 for here and Q3 for this. Okay, you can write it separately, Q1, Q2, Q1. This is IQR, you know, already we have calculated this. Okay, done. The 3 marks for construction. Now make one comparison between the diameter of the pipes produced by company A and B. It's very much clear that if you go with the median, and the, you know, median, and the experiment tell us that median is more inclined towards Q1 than Q3, so it is positively skewed for both cases. But you can write, since IQR, interquartile range of A, for A is what? Here we can go with IQR of, we know that is 0.018. IQR of B we need to find first. IQR of B, that is Q3 minus Q1. Get that, we will get 0.024, and the Q1 was this. A for team A is this, and here for team B is this. Okay, company B. Since IQR of company A is smaller than IQR of company B, right? Therefore, we can say company A is more consistent than B, company B. This is one of the reason. You can write many more. There are other approaches as well. So most probably it is because of the consistency, we can say this. Okay, fine. Let's go to the next question. Okay, guys, here the question number two. The value x is a particular set of diameters are summarized by this. The mean is this. Find the standard deviation of x. Okay, standard deviation of x. And we know the standard deviation, first of all, the mean is given to be this. Before we go to calculate mean. Mean of this is one of the form of the coded mean. We know that is a plus summation x minus a by n, right? We don't know what is n. First we need to find n and then we can proceed. And we also know that standard deviation of x will be sum of x minus a with the coded mean whole square by n minus sum of x minus a by n whole square and then whole square root. These are two formulae which we need to know before we start the solution. This is 4 marks question, very easy question. Okay, start from the known, that is mean is given to us. So you can write mean is equal to, and in place of a, here we have 25. So you can write 25 plus sum of x minus 25 over n, and mean is given to be 28.325 is equal to 25 plus, and sum of x minus 25 is 133 by n. So first take this to the other side to minus it. 3.325 equal to 133 by n, and simplification will give us 133 divided by 3.325. Calculate it and we will get n is equal to 40. Yes. Now we need to go with the standard deviation by using this rule. These are because these are two rules we have studied in class, the coded mean and coded standard deviation. Now standard deviation of x, which we have to calculate, just substitute the value. Sum of square deviation with this sigma x minus a whole square is 3762, and n we have calculated 40, minus this was 133 by n is 40 and whole square and then square root. Now just calculate on calculator and get the answer. We will calculate it. I get it 82.99 square root, and that can be simply 9.11. I hope it is clear. Let's go to the next question. Okay, here for the second case we have to find sum of x square. We are given sum of x minus 25 as 133 and sum of x minus 25 whole square was, what is given? It was 3762. Okay, 3762. Okay, it was given. So first we'll find the sum of values here. Expand it with the sigma. We know this becomes sigma x minus 25 n equal to 133. So here we can find sigma x is equal to 133 plus 25 n, as n was 40. So replace it here. 25 times 40, we'll get sigma x equal to what? 1133. Similarly, we can expand this as well, and it was it will be summation and x square minus 50x plus 625. I just expanded this identity, a plus b, a minus b whole square, and now I will apply a sigma. It will be sigma x square minus 50 times sigma x plus 625 n, because with the constant sigma comes to be n, 3762. Using n 40 and sigma x we have already calculated as minus 50 times 1133 plus 625 times 40 equal to 3762. Now take the all values other side and we'll get x square as calculated by you. You can calculate it. We'll calculate it as 35412. I hope it is clear. There's so many other approaches as it has been discussed in class even. So I did it. I hope it is clear. Let's go with the next question. Very interesting question. Find the number of different ways in which 12 letters of strawberry can be arranged if there are no restriction. No restriction, you can put it in any order. Let's see how many S we have here. We have 2S and R. How many R's? Repeated words 1, 2, 3. And E's. How many E's we have? 1, 2. Rest are coming one time. Okay, there are 12 letters altogether. So without no restriction, we get 12 factorial because any order can be arranged like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 places, so these letters can be placed anywhere at these 12 seeds. So with this that can be 12 factorial, and repeated letters are s 2 times, so 2 divided by 2 factorial. Then r comes 3 times divided by 3 factorial times 2 comes 2 e comes 2 times 2 factorial. So now you can calculate it. I calculated it on the calculator. It comes to 1995840. This is the number of different arrangement of this letter consisting of 12 letters. This word consisting of 12 letters we can arrange if there is no restriction. This is the one of the answer, 2 marks. Here it said if the four vowels A, E, I, right, what are going to be used here must all be together. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 letters. So A, E, I, that's make one unit, and rest of the 8 other alphabets they can arrange anywhere. So 8 and 1 makes 9. So you can write 9 factorial out of here these words except vowels we have 2s and 2r, that is not a part of vowel. So divided by 2 factorial times 3 factorial, that can shuffle each other. And one more important thing, if the four vowels must be in together, so these vowels have the option to to comes in any order. So we can write the 4 letters 4 factorial is here. Got it? And out of 4 factorial, yes, and these 4 letters can be arranged in any way, but here as 2 e's, so as 2 e's, so we can divide 4 factorial divided by, because they can shuffle these 4 places anyway, repetition of 2 e's, so we can do this. So on the calculator you can simplify this one. I hope you got it, because these are the 8 option left and 1 is a unit. So in 8 option we have 2s and we have 3 r's. So we can get this portion. And as in the 1 unit, the the vowels e comes 2 times in strawberry, in the word strawberry. So there are 4 letters can take place any 4 position. So 4 factorial, and because of the repetition of 2 e's, we will divide it with 2 factorial. We'll simplify it to get the answer. And what comes your answer, check it out. It will be on the calculator. I got it 12 times 30240 time equal to with 362880. These are the total possibility what we can draw out of this case. I hope it is clear. So 362880 could be the answer. You can check the calculation with your calculator and confirm the results. Okay, here the next question. 4 astronauts are chosen from a certain number of candidates if order is not taken into account, so it means the case is what? Combination. Yes, because combination is the process in which order of arrangement is not required. The number of ways the consonants can be chosen is this. It is given that four, we have to select four consonants are chosen from a certain number. Okay, and C4 is given to be 3876. Yes, this number. So if you open this one, it will be n factorial divided by n minus 4 factorial times 4 factorial. 3876, and 4 factorial can go other side to multiply it. We get n factorial over n minus 4 factorial is equal to 4 factorial times 3876. That can be calculated on the calculator, and whatever you will get it, 93024. Okay, this is so far here. It said how many ways are there if order of choosing is taken into account. Now, how many ways? It means order is taken, so NP4 we have to find. So let's see, NP4 comes to be n factorial divided by n minus 4 factorial. That comes to be the same. This one, 93024. That's the answer. I hope it is clear. Simple question, 2 marks question. Next one, the second part of this is little interesting, and it says four astronauts are chosen to go on a mission. Each of these astronauts can take 3 personal possessions with him. How many different ways are there? 12 possessions, because each of these astronauts, in their 4 astronauts, each has 3 personal possessions. So then 3 times 4 will be total 12 possessions will be there. Any total possessions will be 4 times 3, that will be 12. Yes. How many different ways can these positions be arranged in a row if each astronaut's positions are kept together? Okay. If each